Craving a slice of pure joy? Today, we're making the easiest, most delicious vanilla cake you'll ever taste. First, gather your simple ingredients. In a bowl, whisk together your dry essentials: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Next, for that luscious texture, cream together half a cup of softened unsalted butter and 1½ cups of granulated sugar until pale and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry mixture to the wet, alternating with 1 cup of whole milk, mixing until just combined. Pour this beautiful batter into a greased and floured 9-inch round cake pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The aroma alone is irresistible. Once baked, let your cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. While it cools, let's whip up some dreamy vanilla buttercream. Cream 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, then gradually beat in 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a tablespoon or 2 of milk until light and fluffy. Once your cake is completely cool, spread that glorious buttercream evenly over the top and sides. And there you have it, your very own homemade vanilla cake. Simple, elegant, and absolutely divine. Share the joy or savor every single bite yourself. Enjoy!